Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make a beautiful sleeve design. Length of the sleeve is 19 inch and the width is 17 inch. At one side of the fabric, mark at 5 inch lengthwise on both sides. Cut from the mark. On the big piece of fabric, I'm going to mark at two places for the pleats 1 inch apart. Here now I have another piece of fabric strip that I'm going to use to make piping. Fold the fabric strip and do a stitch. Turn the right side out. Cut this piping into 2 inch long pieces. To attach these piping pieces to the sleeve, here I'm using a paper strip which is 2 inch wide and the length is same as the sleeves width. On the paper, mark at 1 or 2 inch apart along all the way to the end. Place the piping on the paper and do a top stitch. Before attaching the piping to the sleeve, do the pleats. Now I am going to attach this piping between the two pieces that I cut earlier. Here I fold about half an inch of fabric with iron on both pieces. That will give you a neat finish. cut any extra fabric. To finish the sleeve, here I'm going to do 4 to 6 pleats at the front. Using another fabric piece to hem the sleeve. Fold the fabric over to close the seam. Do the side seam. Carefully remove the paper. To give it a finished look, here I'm using a white pearl that I'm going to attach on the cuff area. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.